Here's something different for the channel. Just a quick one. This is my mate's 1984-ish, I think, Toyota Hilux I'm restoring for him. He found the worst one for 500 bucks and said fix it. So we've done 2 floor pans, cut the rust out of the roof, repaired all the dents, done the dents along the bottom of the sill, the damage up there, some damage under there, repaired all that. Stone guarded the floor pan, cut the rust out of the pillars on both sides, repaired that. Got it taped up, ready to bag it up for some primer. The firewall was horrible. That was all rusted out. Same both sides, that was all rusted out around there. That whole channel there was completely missing. I'll put some photos up now of that. Raptor coated the whole rad support, engine bay, that come up really nice. Repaired the bonnet, Raptor coated underneath the bonnet. That's really nice, black engine bay. Got all the panels here, all repaired as well, all in primer. So all the doors are straight in high fill, guards repaired, rust done, straight in high fill. So yeah, this is what I'm doing in between Falcons, something different. She's all bagged up, not my best job, but I'm in a rush. Wiped it down with Prep Sol. It's ready to go. Let's slam it.